Hi. How do you prepare your lectures? How many time do you take to prepare?
It's a very good question. And if I tell you how I prepare them, then my colleagues at MIT are going to hate me. On average, the preparation for one lecture is about 40 to 60 hours. Wow. I dry run the lecture in an empty classroom with everything on the blackboard that I'm going to write on the blackboard, pretending that there is a full class in front of me, but there is no one. And I talk to them as if there is one. I do that 2 weeks before the lecture. In general, the lecture is then a little bit too long, so I have to do some surgery. Then 1 week before the lecture, I dry run again. Then I'm very close to the time. And then 5 a.m. of the morning of the lecture, you can ask my wife, I am at MIT, and I give the same lecture, dry run for an empty classroom at 5:30 in the morning, when the lecture is at 10 and the same lecture is at 11. That's the way I prepare. Don't tell my colleagues, they will hate me.